हाय गाइस। तो आज हम अपने सेशन को आगे शुरू करते हैं और जो हमने आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए थे उन क्वेश्चंस के डाउट हम लेंगे। तो इट मींस जो क्वेश्चंस हमने दिए हैं वो आपने सबने करे, मगर लास्ट के कुछ क्वेश्चंस में आप सबको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आई, तो मैं प्रॉब्लम्स ले रहा हूं आपकी, फिर मैं आगे चलूंगा। तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है। सबसे पहले वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में इसने कहा स्टीफन कांस्टेंट एक वैल्यू होती है, आप स्टीफन कांस्टेंट कहते हैं। तो स्टीफन कांस्टेंट सिंबल है ये, और वैल्यू इसने लिखी इसकी स्टीफन कांस्टेंट की 5.67 इंटू 10 के ऊपर पावर -8 जूल सेकेंड इनवर्स मीटर -2 एंड केल्विन -4। Okay, we have a Stephen constant value is this. इसने कहा convert this value. What is the value? And find its value in CGS system. Okay, तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में जिस बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम आई उसने कहा कन्वर्ट दिस सिस्टम इनटू CGS सिस्टम, यानी CGS सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करना है। अब इस प्रोसेस को करने के हमारे पास दो मेथड है। ओके, वी हैव टू मेथड फॉर दिस प्रोसेस। अब हम मेथड क्या है, पहले हम आपको मेथड नंबर 1 बता दें, यानी मेथड नंबर 1 ये इजी है। मेथड नंबर 1 जिसमें हम अपनी कुछ चीजों का इस्तेमाल करेंगे जो हमने लास्ट में पढ़ाई करी थी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो 1 जूल इक्वल टू 10 की पावर 7 अर्ग। यस और नो? हमने पढ़ा था सर 1 जूल इक्वल टू 10 की पावर 7 अर्ग। ओके, एंड 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर। ओके, ये दोनों क्वांटिटीज इस्तेमाल होंगी, इसलिए हमने इसका यूज करा। तो जो चीज मुझे गिवन है तो मैंने लिख लिया, वी नो स्टीफन कांस्टेंट इक्वल टू 5.67 इंटू 10 की पावर -8 जूल सेकेंड इनवर्स मीटर -2 केल्विन -4। नाउ इन CGS system we all know in CGS system joule having a unit of erg, it means you replace joule, put the value of erg, it means you write down like this 5.67 into 10 की power -8 in place of joule put this value into 10 की power 7 joule को मैंने यहां लिख दिया erg। now second inverse in MKS system it's also second and in CGS system time again in second, तो इसको चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है। दिस इज सेकंड इनवर्स। नाउ मीटर चेंज इनटू सेंटीमीटर। ओके, मगर मीटर -2 इट मींस 10 के ऊपर पावर -2 एंड हियर वी राइट डाउन सेकंड -2। व्हाई वी राइट डाउन 10 की पावर 2? बिकॉज इन 1 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर, 100 मींस 10 की पावर 2, 10 की पावर 2 and here power is -2 centimeter -2. Kelvin remain the same in CGS system and MKS system. Kelvin as in Kelvin. Now we solve this value 5.67 into how much? 10 की पावर -8, 10 की पावर -4, 10 की पावर -12 and 10 की पावर +7 गया तो 10 की पावर -5 रिमेन। यूनिट हो गई अर्ग, क्योंकि जूल रिप्लेस अर्ग, second remains same, meter remains centimeter and Kelvin remains same. So this one is the value in which system? This one is the value in CGS system. This is the first method. Okay, अब ये method हमारा है simple method, method number 1. Now we have a second method for this. What is this method? हम उसे भी करेंगे। Now we have a second method. Okay, we write down here method number 2. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो द डायमेंशन ऑफ स्टीफन कांस्टेंट। हमें स्टीफन कांस्टेंट की डायमेंशन पता होनी चाहिए। ओके, नाउ द डायमेंशन ऑफ स्टीफन कांस्टेंट। ओके, यस एनीवन व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ स्टीफन कांस्टेंट? कोई भी बच्चा व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ स्टीफन कांस्टेंट? ओके, वी राइट डाउन स्टीफन कांस्टेंट इक्वल टू m L0 T -3 K -4. Okay, then this one is the dimension of Stephen constant. This is second method. Yes, हमने लास्ट आपको पढ़ाया था स्टीफन कांस्टेंट के डायमेंशन। नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ A? A is 1. What is the value of B? B is 0. What is the value of C? -3. वी ओनली फाइंड आउट ए बी सी। ए m के ऊपर a पावर 1 l यानी इट मीन्स b0 and c equal to -3. We know the formula. Yes, we know the formula. n2 is equal to n1 bracket m1 upon m2 whole power a, l1 upon l2 whole power b, and t1 upon t2 whole power c. Okay, a b and c, m1. This is a MKS system. We know. Now create the table. हम टेबल भी बना सकते हैं. We rub this. Okay, we rub this. Yes. Now we create a table like this, in which we put three values. Here it is MKS system. In converted system is CGS. Value given in MKS system, we convert this in CGS. M1, L1, T1, M2, L2 and T2. What the value of M1 in MKS system? Yes, sir. It is in 1 kg. It's 1 meter. It's 1 second. It's 1 gram. It's 1 centimeter and it's 1 second. Okay, now we put the value. N2 equals to N1. What is the value of N1? N1 is this. It means 5.67 into 10 to the power -8. It's N1. Numerical value which is given is N1. Yes, everyone know the numerical value which is given is N1. Now we put M1. What is the value of M1? 1 kg. What is M2? 1 gram. Whole power is 1 because value is A equals to 1. Now L1 is 1 meter. We converted 1 centimeter. Power 0. It means we does not change this. Now T1, 1 second. Here is also 1 second. Power -3. A, B and C, we solve the problem. 5.67 into 10 to the power -8. Here 10 to the power 3 whole power 1. Here 1 because something power 0 is 1 and here is also 1 -3. It means 5.67 into 10 to the power -8 and +3 -5. Okay. Here again we find out N2 equals to this, become this. So what is the value of Stephen constant in this system? It means Stephen's constant in which system? CGS system is 5.67 into 10 to the power -5 urge. Second inverse remains same, centimeter -2 and Kelvin -4. Yes, this is second method जो अब तक हम सिखाते आए आपको. We learn this method from the last questions. We again perform by this, but we have a first method which is easy, only 4 steps. First method involves 4 steps and this method involves 10 to 12 steps. Okay, समझ में आया? Anyone having a doubt? Yes, anyone having a doubt? Yes, please check this again. We provide the video of this. I will also provide you the video. Yes, anyone facing any doubt, please? Problem. Otherwise, I go to the second question number 8. Yes, please. Now we perform the next question, which is again based on conversion of units. Now we have again the next different type of question. It is different type of question. इसने का find the value of 100 joule. यानी इसने का find the value of 100 joule. We have a 100 joule on a system. इसने का we find this value on a system where length is 20 centimeter. Mass is 250 gram and time is half second, half minute. It means half minute. We have value this, we convert this. Very easy. First of all, you find out which physical quantity is this. Yes, physical quantity is joule. Sorry, unit is joule. It means energy or work. It means physical quantity is energy, or also you write down work. Yes, because unit is joule, we know unit joule is the unit of work or energy, and dimension of this is ml2 t minus 2. Yes, what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? 2. What is the value of C? Minus 2. Okay, first of all we find out the value of A, B and C. Now we know the formula. N2 equals to N1, M1 upon M2 power A, L1 upon L2 power B, and T1 upon T2 power C. Yes, we know the formula, this one. Now we again create a table. Now this is MKS system. Value of energy in joule, joule it means MKS system. And this is not MKS, not CGS, not FPS. Then it is according to question. Okay, because this is the unit of values, different values. So here M1, L1, T1. M1 1 kg, L1 1 meter, and time 1 second. Here M2, L2, T2. What is the value of M2? Anyone? Value of M2 is 250 gram. Yes sir, 250 gram. What is the value of L2? L2 is 20 centimeter. What is the value of T2? Half minute, it means 30 seconds. We write down 30 seconds. Yes, anyone facing any problem? Okay, now we put the values, only we put the values, so therefore N2 equals to N1. What is the value of N1? 100 which is given. M1 is 1 kg upon 250 gram power 1. Okay, L1 is 1 meter, 20 centimeter power 2, because the value of B is 2. 1 second upon 30 second power minus 2. Now only simple mathematics. Okay, now we have a simple mathematics. Yes, N2 is equal to 100. Okay, we convert this kg into gram. 1000 gram upon 250 gram power 1. Yes, now 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter upon 20 centimeter power 2. Now 1 second, yani 1 second upon 30 second power minus 2. Now just you only convert the values. Now you solve the problem. 100 cancel out nahi karna, gram se gram leave it, but 250, 1000 upon 250 is 4 power 1. 1000 divided by 250 become 4 power 1. Here 5 power 2, because 100 divided by 20 remain 5 power 2. Here 1 upon 30 power minus 2. Yes, you solve the problem. 100 multiply this is also 100, because 5 to 25 into 4 become 100, and here 30 power again minus 2. Sorry, not minus, it's plus, because it is reciprocal. When it comes up, the power become positive. Okay, now you solve the problem. So it means it is become 339 into 10 to the power 6, because 1 2 3 4 and square it become 900. We write down 9 into 10 to the power 6. But what is the unit? So you write down new unit, because it has not MKS, not CGS, it's a new unit. So we solve this problem by creating a table, put the value, simple mathematics, and the value is 9 into 10 to the power 6, new unit. Yes, anyone facing any problem, then please ask me. Yes guys, any problem? Please check out. I will provide this video to you. Yes, anyone facing any problem? No problem. Now please, question number 9, it is also a different question about this. Very good. Yes, question number 9. If the unit of force, in this we have a unit of force, unit of then energy, and then velocity. Okay, if the unit of force, energy and velocity are, this is 20 Newton, 200 Joule and 5 meter per second. Find, इसने कहा find the unit of length, we find out unit of length, mass and time. Yes, okay. How we perform this question? This is also force, energy and velocity are the units this, but find the unit of length, mass and time. Simple question. Yes, we know dimension of force, MLT minus 2, MLT minus 2 equals to 20 Newton. Okay, we know the dimension of force, force equals to 20 Newton, MLT minus 2, 20 Newton. This is equation number first. Now second, ML2 T minus 2 is equals to 200 Joule. Second question. Now velocity, we know the dimension, LT minus 1, 5 meter per second. It's equation number 3. Yes, force dimension use, energy dimension and velocity dimension like this. Only you solve the problem. First of all, we find out the unit of length. Simple, divide second equation by first equation. Divide this equation in the form of dimension, ML2 T minus 2 upon MLT minus 2 is equal to 200 upon 20. We divide second equation by first equation. M cancel out M, this cancel out this, and this cancel out this, and it means L is equal to cancel out 10. It means length equals to 10 meter. Yes or no? Length equals to 10 meter. Put this value of length in equation third. Put L is equals to 10 meter in equation number third. In equation third, pull L equals to this. It means 10 into T minus 1 equals to 5. Okay, we solve this problem. 2, it means T equals to 2 seconds. Length equals to 10 meter, time equals to 2 seconds. Put this value in equation number first. Yes, put L and T in equation number first. When you put, you find out the value of M, and M is equals to, you find out yourself, it is 8 kg. Okay, this is 8 kg. So this one is the problem which is based on dimensions. ये dimensions पर बेस्ड थे क्वेश्चन जो आपने परफॉर्म किए. एक और प्रॉब्लम है, वो बड़ा आसान है, इजी प्रॉब्लम है, सेम क्वेश्चन 8 की तरह ही सॉल्व होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. एनीवन फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, देन प्लीज आस्क मी. Yes, please. Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
तो कोई सी क्वेश्चन डिवाइड कर सकते हैं या कोई मतलब ये करनी होगी?
नहीं, just you only find the values. You choose any equation, but you get single value, because in equation number second and first, here M cancel out M, T cancel out T completely, but this and this remains only L. So that's why we divide second by first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any problem? Yes, guys. Anyone? Suryansh, any problem? Yes, question number 10, do yourself, because it's also based on question number 8, same as question number 8. Okay, do it yourself, otherwise I will also do this. So yes guys, so today we do the numerical which is totally based on conversion of units. How we convert one system to another system, how we convert MKS to CGS, how we convert CGS to MKS, and how we convert MKS or CGS to according to question, just last question. Because this last question we have a different values which is according to question. Okay, so